Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Can't Fit with my girl Nikita, the Honda Fit. Just giving you a little update on things I've done to the car and the future for Nikita. You already know I've been posting pretty frequently, trying to keep up with all the all the modifications and all the changes that I've been doing to the car. To the head, we've got some aftermarket cams. We've got BC springs. I ported the head, the LRP intake manifold. Bottom end's getting built by Fast Autosports, Fennel Autosport. I forget the whole name of their company. Anyway, Fast X. Let's start with the wheels. We've got some Koenig hypergrams. I'm pretty sure they're hypergrams, if I'm not mistaken. They could be decagrams. I don't remember the model, but we got Koenig hypergrams that I got off of a rolling chassis that I guess the guy didn't know what he had. So I got off a rolling chassis of a Honda Civic when I was gonna do a K-Series build on the Honda Civic. We got some carbon fiber fenders that I got from Me Garage up in Malaysia. However, upon shipping, a lot of damage happened to the fenders. So I've just been rocking it until I've decided what I wanted to do with the whole wide body kit that you guys seen me building or designing. We got discontinued Morimoto headlights, refreshed, I guess, through the retro, I think it's called Retrofit Headlights. I don't remember their name either, but it's a company that's been helping me out with me designing my own headlights. Right now, the tires I have on there, some cheap tires. We just needed to get some tires on there so I could make the drive to wherever I needed to make the drive to at the time. But we will be putting some Extreme Contact Sports on these. I love those tires. Maybe Nitto, I don't know. And then the fronts are gonna have some 15 by 9s. These are 15 by 7.5, if I remember correctly. And they'll have 15 by 9s, and it'll be countergrams that will be on the front, or decagrams. I don't remember. I gotta look at the box again. It's been a little bit. I've designed some intake scoops here just to direct air directly to the intake that is here. It's a terrible design right now. It's still in its development stage, and I mean, that's what we got. What I want to do for the future now, I have Fuel Tech. I've ordered Fuel Tech a Fuel Tech Extreme ECU, G4X Extreme ECU, and I'm super excited because that will be going along with, paired up with the intake manifold that I ordered from this company called CNC Motorworks, Autoworks, I don't remember. CNC, a company in Malaysia, another company in Malaysia. And the special thing with that is that it has port injection parts where you can place port injectors into it. So I'm excited about that because now I don't have to pay another $2,000 for a direct injection add-on. This next January, will be my first time trials. I'm super excited about that. I'll be running in the NASA organization as ST5 or ST6. So I plan to race this car without all the aero, and then once I'm done with that, I'll see how well the aero does help the whole performance of the car. Lots to come, but right now those are the things that we're taking care of. Thank you for taking all that time listening and putting up with my ums and ahs. And this is Can't Fit with the Honda Fit, Nikita, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.